Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. You have the account email or phone and at least one recovery option available. Once ready, make sure your device's date and time are correct because Microsoft uses them for security tokens. Now open account. Microsoft.com and choose Sign In or Start Account Recovery. Enter the email or phone. If prompted for a password and you don't know it, click Forgot My Password to trigger verification options and receive codes. After requesting recovery, pick the verification method you can access: email, SMS, or the Authenticator app. Make sure the code arrives and enter it promptly. If it doesn't, request a resend and check spam. If standard methods fail, choose the recovery form and supply prior passwords, account creation date, or other proof. Accuracy speeds review. Once verified, create a strong new password, sign out everywhere, and update your recovery phone and email so you don't repeat the process. With the password reset and verification complete, sign back into your primary devices and re-enable two-factor authentication for better security. Make sure linked apps and subscriptions accept the new credentials and update saved passwords in password managers. If you still can't access the account, use the Microsoft Account Recovery form and submit details about recent activity or devices you used to sign in. This is the fastest route to regain access. Finally, test sign-in and keep recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.